So let's go. Down, up, keep it going, down.
Good morning. This is Wednesday, January 7th, 2026. I am Admiral Brian Christine. I'm the Assistant Secretary for Health of the Department of Health and Human Services, and I have the privilege of being the Senior Flag Officer for the United States Public Health Service Commission Corps.
Down.
Today we start Service Workout Wednesdays. Every Wednesday from here on out, members of the Commission Corps of the Public Health Service are going to be working out together. We're going to be visible. Secretary Kennedy has called us to live a lifestyle that's healthier and better and will make this country greater. We're going to show people we live that lifestyle. We're going to eat good food. We're going to exercise together. I tell all of my Commission Corps brothers and sisters, we are in this together. These workouts are not about what you can't do. There's a lot of things I can't do. I can't keep up with most of these people here, but I'm going to do my best. That's what I want you to do.
And one, shake it off. Great job.
We've already worked out inside. We are warmed up. We're ready to go for a run. Corps, are you ready to go for a run?
Yes, sir.
Service Workout Wednesdays. Let's do it.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.